I am Harisata. COVID-19, I mean coronavirus, you all know about this. So this is a serious matter and serious disease all over the world. So many of us does not know about where it comes from or what is this coronavirus or COVID-19. According to World Health Organization, this deadly disease first come in Wuhan, the city of China. The Chinese people also doesn't know about where it came from or how it spreads or like these things. But in Chinese news or Chinese bulletins, they show some kind of mammal or name pangolin mammal having scales on the entire body. So the Chinese news and media say that it is from that it came from this disease came from that mammal. But later it discovered by Professor Stephen Turner that it originally originated from bats. But some says that it is from that mammal, or some say this is from bat. So no one is confirmed about that. But 95% of the scientists say that it came from bat. Everybody is sure about that it is originally originated from mammal or a bat, but it is confirmed that coronavirus is only found in animals, that spread from animals to human, and now it is widely spread all over the world from humans to humans by their interaction. This is all about the coronavirus information, that how it is came, how it is originated, or how it spreads. So there is no vaccine. According to WHO, there is no originally vaccine about the coronavirus, but hopefully we will find this cure and save lives of the people. So stay home, stay safe.